What up, squad? What up, squad? What up, squad? What it do, man? It's your boy Stunna Reese, man. And today, your boy is taking you with me to get the Lawrence Springs put on the Hellcat, man. That's right, it's finally about to go down, literally, man. And you watching it live with Stunna Reese Live. Let's get it.
What up, squad? You checking out the best YouTube channel for Hellcats, custom cars, car reviews, car shows, parties, travel, and more. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a thing.
Monsters. Got the thumper on them, can you tell that? OG on them, can you smell that? Pull up on them in the Hellcat like a...
Alright guys, so you guys know for a long time I've been debating if I wanted to attempt to put the Lawrence Springs on the Hellcat myself, man. But I finally made up my mind. I'm gonna let somebody else do it. The reason is I want to get it done quickly. That's right, man. I don't want to waste a lot of time because I'm going to meet my brothers, Mod the Fame and Will Motivation this Friday. So I want the car to be lower when I go. That's right, man. It's gotta be the right stand. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get it done, and I'm taking y'all with me. So let's go, let's go. All right, man. So as you guys can see, it's a rainy day. Yeah, it's been raining all morning. You know what I'm saying? But I gotta get it done. I gotta get it done. I don't have much time to waste. I got the Hellcat already warming up in the garage. So she's all wet. But sorry, baby, we got to get these applied. That's right, it's time, man. All right, let's get it. What up, squad? So we're officially on our way, man. I am super excited. Been waiting a long time for this. This is one of the things I envisioned on doing to the car when I first got it. You know, when you got a dream of like your dream car and the way you want to personalize it to make it your own, well, that is happening today. So, man, y'all stay tuned for the ride, man. Your boy is about to turn up, man. We're going to celebrate, man. This Friday, me and the squad is heading down to Ohio to meet up with my boy, man, Miles of Fame, Will Motivation, man. It's really about to be a litty situation. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Hellcat. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, Snapchat, Live Raise, Facebook. Follow me everywhere at Stunna Reese. Squad, so your boy is pulling up to the spot, man. Recommended my boy, man, Catfish, man. One Stop Springs. Okay. And struts.
Take the next right onto West Chicago Avenue, then your destination will be on the right.
Squad.
Take the next right onto West
So, yeah,
Chicago Avenue, and your destination will be on the right.
Man. You know what I'm saying? Definitely see what they about. All right, guys. So putting up jacks, lift underneath the car. About to install the springs, but of course, you know, first thing first, the wheels got to be removed. You know what I'm saying? That's the first step. It's obvious that has to happen, but you know what I'm saying? Just taking you guys through the process, man. So definitely, man, I can't wait, guys. In a couple hours, this thing's gonna ride the way I envisioned it when I first got it. So let's get it done. Be patient, man. It's gonna be a couple hours, few hours before it's done. But I'm gonna show you guys as much as I can through the process and kind of like what they have to go through until to make the lowering springs fit correctly and things like that. And then after lowering springs are installed, we gotta get a wheel alignment. So, you know, that's what you gotta do when you're adjusting the suspension at all. Always make sure you align the wheels so that you don't go through tires, because your tires will eat up like crazy if you don't get a wheel alignment. So it's one of the things you gotta do, man. But definitely they got it on the left, got me right in. I like that. Guys. And you see how it looks now? Let's see that gap now. So that gap now is about, say about 3 fingers. About 3 fingers right now, guys. 3 fingers in the back. And we got about 2 in the front. So we'll see what the difference is once the Eibach springs are installed and go from there. All right, squad, let's get it. So they gotta remove that top cover plate in order to remove the struts to install the springs. So see if I can get a better look at it from the other side. Yeah, so with the Hellcat, they got the actual, the reservoir tank actually sits on top of the cover. So yeah, guys, it's gonna look real good, man. Like I said, we got about 3 fingers in the rear. You might can see it better on here. About 3 fingers in the rear, about 2 in the front. And we gotta get that baby down though. Inspiration. All right, guys, so you can see they have removed the wheels. They're getting it together, man. Let's see if we got any rubbing or anything. I don't see any rubbing. Definitely gonna need a bath when we finish with this. Definitely make sure that the suspension and everything stays intact. Gold really pops. I know they gotta remove that. I believe these rear bolts here have to be removed. And I believe this bolt and this bolt in order to drop the suspension to install the rear springs. But as far as the front springs, I'm not 100% sure. So they working on it right now. Getting it together. Super excited, super excited. It's happening. I'm excited. It is happening. So we got the struts off, springs off, and we actually got one already assembled, about to go back on. So guys, as you can see, top-notch work. Definitely. Everything is nice and neat. Man, I'm excited, man. So a couple more sides to go, and we getting there. So we got the arm bungee corded up so it doesn't rip the cords or anything. So yeah, I like that, definitely. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned, man. We getting it. Got the springs actually in. I know you probably can't see it, but the springs are in. That's right there. Both back together. Now you can see this side. So the front is just about done being bolted together. You can see it in there, looking really, really good. I think the red springs is gonna definitely accent the red calibers as well. We move to the rear of the car, and he's now about to remove the rear spring, and he's got to take off the lower control arm and some other bolts and stuff. I don't know all. I know the back bolt. I think this bolt as well. And with the rear, I don't think you need an actual spring compressor to do the rear. But I'm not sure. But yeah, here's the rear springs. They are the smaller springs, and the bigger springs, of course, are for the front where the weight of the engine is. So yeah, so definitely make sure you guys stay tuned, man. It's going down, man. I got that little nick on my brake caliper. I don't like that, but I'm gonna have to get that touched up. But other than that, man, everything is going really, really good. Let's take a quick look. And it's probably from taking the wheel on or putting the wheel off, or taking the wheel off or putting the wheel on. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Looking good so far. Got the front wheel back on. As you can see, everything looks good. Yeah, guys, we almost done. Home stretch, squad. All right, guys, so we got the spring actually removed. It sits right in there and goes in there. New spring compared to the old spring. As you can see, the coils are much farther apart on the original spring versus the Eibach spring. It's gonna definitely have a different ride quality, but it's gonna still ride good. You know, the Eibachs are known to ride good, even with the lowering kit. Now, that's how you can put it down. And as you can see right here, all done. This side is buttoned up. So we just about out of here, guys. Just about out of here, man. Red brake calipers. Definitely go with the red springs. I like that. Definitely like the way it looks. She's bad. Super bad. But yeah, guys, it's coming along, man. Coming along. I like the red springs. Nice clean install. Make it look nice and easy. So now you just this down here, this bolt, and that bolt there. And that's it, guys. Put the wheels back on, man. So he's got it safely down in the pocket, and of course, plug back up electronics if he had to even unplug them back, unplug them in the rear. I don't even know if he had to unplug them in the rear, but yeah, guys, we are just about wrapped up. Yeah, sway bar right there. Looking good, guys. Looking good. All right, guys, we're all set, man. Yes. Bolting the wheels back on, and about to wrap it up, man. Definitely looking good. I love the red springs. Feel like I said, go with the red calipers. And guys, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Now he told me that it's not going to really sit as low as it's going to actually settle once it settles, but it's going to sit, you know, a little lower. But then after about 500 miles, he said it's going to go ahead and settle all the way down. So by the time I get to Ohio, should be where I want it to be, and it should be looking real good for wheel motivation and for my defense to farm. So, man, I can't wait to see it on the ground. See if I can just tell. But you know, I tested it with the 3-finger test and with the 2-finger test, and we'll see if it's any difference. All right, so y'all stay tuned. So the car is down on the ground, and as you can see, we're about 2 fingers now, and maybe 1.5, but the car still has to settle. So, you know what I'm saying? It's actually gonna even get lower, and that's just, you know, it's just basically just sitting on the weight of the vehicle. It hasn't driven, it hasn't rolled or anything. So this one looks even lower. So yeah, so I can't wait to see it outside once we roll it back. Definitely looks good. This all looks nice and clean. No damage, that's okay. Yeah, I'm excited. Definitely make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Make sure you subscribe, man. Yeah, it looks way better, guys. Way better. So we're gonna show it to you guys once we pull it out and see how it looks. Let's get it. Think looks pretty good. Definitely went down some more. That's not even a good finger. Yeah, definitely a whole lot better, guys. Look at that, man. That's how it's supposed to sit. Definitely, man. Shout out to One Stop Muffler and Brake, man, out here in East Chicago, Indiana. You guys need any service, make sure you hit them up, man, at area code 219-398-6767 right here on Chicago Road, man. Definitely they'll take care of you. Definitely get you straight. Brakes, shocks, springs, whatever you need, oil changes, all that, man. Definitely, man. So make sure y'all hit them up once again. 219-398-6767. Definitely take care of you, man. Well, yeah, guys, that's about it, man. It's your boy STUNNA REESE, man. Appreciate y'all rocking out with me, man. Gonna enjoy this. Me and the squad going down to Ohio this Friday. So y'all make sure y'all stay in tune for that vlog. It's gonna be lit. Definitely, man. If it's your first time checking in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. It's your boy STUNNA REESE. I'm out of here, man. Peace. I'm gone. Out.
Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, take a ride with me, and watch all my videos below. And thanks, and you watching STUNNA REESE Live.